Today I will tell you how to connect Bluetooth devices on Windows 10. Open Windows Settings. Then go to the Devices section. Here you need to turn on Bluetooth. Then press on plus icon to add Bluetooth or other devices. Choose the kind of device you want to add. It could be Bluetooth devices, wireless display or dock, or everything else, for example Xbox controllers with wireless adapter. Choose what type of device you need. Click on it. After a few seconds your device will be connected to your computer. That's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out another video about how to configure audio on Windows 10 on this channel. Until next time.